This is Unit 809 at Commodore Club South in Key Biscayne. We go through the double entrance and we go and find the living room, walking right into the terrace. Has a lot of natural light. Today there's a little bit of rain outside. We are facing south and we have view of Key Colony, Island House, the ocean. Of course that is the east. This is south. This is west, looking at the bay. And the terrace. It's a wraparound balcony because we are in the middle of the unit, but it has windows on both sides. Large terrace, ocean view. Now we're gonna go back inside. And going back inside, all the unit has ceramic throughout. And it is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. Here we have the kitchen. And the kitchen has a pass-through window. One idea is to remove this wall so you could see the whole living area. And we're gonna go through the second bathroom, full bath, and here we have the main bedroom. Also has windows, and of course over here en suite inside we have the 2 vanities. We have the bathroom. And over here we have a large walk-in closet on both sides. Over there, here's the bathroom. And now we're gonna go back into the living social, and we got the second bedroom over here. Lots of natural light, windows throughout on both socials. So that's it.